The phone was inspired by some of my favorite sneakers designed by Kanye West. And the main one being the Red Octobers that he designed when he was at Nike. That's the last shoe that he designed. The value of the shoe went from being a shoe that's worth 2.5 thousand rand to it right now being like a 60K. So I was really inspired by the shoe. I don't own the shoe. I own one of the red Louis Vuittons that he designed, and that's where the red comes from. I just wanted it to stand out, you know, on the table. Like I just pictured like a bunch of friends chilling at a party or whatever and putting their phones on the table, and I just wanted my phone to be the one that stands out.
And Stanford, tell me about it.
I'm very excited. This is my first time performing in America, so I'm very excited to see, you know, what's going on out there. And I'm very excited about being one of the names that kids listen to, like African kids listen to that side, you know, because I'm sure that they need, you know, music that kind of like reminds them of home. We'll also be shooting a music video for one of the songs that I did with Casey Veggies. So I'm excited, man.
And you, Malume, the song, it's been one of your most popular songs recently.
Malume was one of the songs that I used to experiment and kind of like find an African sound, even though it's like hip hop, but you know, get this like authentic, distinct sound of where it comes from. Wherever the song could land, wherever in the world, it should be distinct. That, yo, this comes from South Africa, or this comes from Africa.
And any new music?
Yeah, I'm in the studio right now. I put out a song called Super X last week, which is very personal, where I speak about a situation that people were really curious about. And I'm in the studio all the time right now, just making music. And I might just drop music anytime, but I'm also pushing my album, which is in stores, and people should go get it. And I'm just pushing singles from the album and, you know, just recording as I go. Find My Way song was about my grandmother who passed on while I was making the album. It's actually an incomplete song. There's a verse that I'm still going to add on the song because there's a story I didn't tell about how her death affected me, and you know, some of the things that happened at the funeral. A very special song that I produced with a homie of mine called Ali Keys, and then Black Motion also got added additional production, and we did the song together, and I just really love that song.
Cool. And lastly, if anyone who's watching this, that young girl, young boy with a dream, what would you say to them?
I would tell them that anything is possible. They should work hard and pray harder, and they could do anything in the world they can imagine.
Cool. Thank you.